All right, and from Uttar Pradesh now to Jammu and Kashmir. Breaking news coming in. Former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has now said that an alliance with the Congress party will be finalized only after a seat-sharing agreement. However, Omar Abdullah has confirmed that he has received an offer from the Congress party, but the alliance will only materialize if the National Conference candidates get to contest all the Lok Sabha seats in Kashmir, especially in the constituencies they prefer. So that's a big development because often the National Conference has maintained that it can go alone, but an alliance possible. Listen into this reaction coming in.
मैं मुख्यमंत्री नहीं बनूंगा, ये मैं क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ। मुख्यमंत्री वो बनेगा जो उधर फोटो जिसकी है, जिसका नाम उमर अब्दुल्ला है। वो जवान है, मैं बूढ़ा हूँ, मैं मानता हूँ अपनी कमी। मैं अब नहीं भाग सकता जितना कि ये जवान लोग भाग सकते हैं। इनके साथ अगर मुकाबला कर सकता है तो उमर कर सकता है, ये बूढ़ा क्या इनका मुकाबला करेगा। मैं मुकाबला कर सकता हूँ इससे, वो मुझे पार्लियामेंट में करना है और इंशाल्लाह मैं पार्लियामेंट में जरूर जाऊंगा।
ये सही है कि कांग्रेस के तरफ से एक प्रपोजल हमें मिला था, लेकिन हमने तो कांग्रेस को सीधा सीधा ये कहा हुआ है कि वादी की 3 सीटों पे नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस का ही उम्मीदवार होगा। अगर के ये उनको सूट करता है तो हम बाकी सीटों के बारे में उनसे बात कर सकते हैं, लेकिन वादी की 3 सीटों पे ज़रूर नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस का ही उम्मीदवार उतरेगा। अब देखते हैं वहाँ से क्या जवाब मिलता है।
That is former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir Omar Abdullah speaking. Sunil Ji Bhatt joins me on the phone line. Sunil, so while he's open to an alliance, what sort of conditions do you think National Conference will want to put in?
Well, Pooja, for last few days there have been hectic parleys taking place between the leaders of National Conference and Congress, and efforts are on to stitch an alliance here, because National Conference and Congress have been in alliance in the past also, but the Congress wants 3 seats from Jammu and Kashmir. They also want one of the seats in the valley. Our sources are telling us that Congress is also bargaining for the Anantnag Lok Sabha seat, which National Conference is unwilling to concede. And the talks are still on, but it seems that the National Conference doesn't want to concede the seat from the valley, and it says the National Conference's stand is that they want to contest on all 3 seats of the valley, but they are willing to concede the 2 seats of Jammu. And talks are also on about the Ladakh seat, because National Conference wants to contest from the Ladakh seat also, and Congress is also wants to contest from the Ladakh seat. So there are differences right now. The bone of contention is Ladakh seat as well as Anantnag seat, but consultations are on between the leaders of both the parties, and it remains to be seen whether these parties will be able to form an alliance, pre-poll alliance ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. Ghulam Nabi Azad was also in Jammu for last 2 days, and he has also held talks with the party leaders, and there are reports that he's also in touch with the senior leaders of the National Conference, but both the parties are bargaining hard as far as the seats are concerned. Pooja?
Very interesting. So we'll wait and watch if the Congress agrees to the NC's demands or no.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.